In a dramatic escalation of the Iran-Israel conflict, US President Donald Trump confirmed that American warplanes bombed 3 key nuclear facilities in Iran: Fordo, Natanz, and Isfahan. Trump called the operation a success, warning Iran that many targets still remain if peace is not reached. What triggered the conflict? The current escalation began on June 13, when Israel launched a surprise strike on dozens of Iranian nuclear and military targets. Israel claimed the move aimed to dismantle Iran's nuclear program, which it believes is close to producing a bomb. Iran retaliated with rocket and drone attacks, sparking a week-long air war. Amid this, the US, which was engaged in nuclear talks with Iran, fast-tracked a military strike. What has the US bombed and with what? The US targeted 3 of Iran's key nuclear facilities: Fordo, Natanz, and Isfahan. The Fordo site, built deep into mountainside, was considered nearly impenetrable by Israeli weapons. To overcome this, the US used GBU-57 massive ordnance penetrators or bunker busters weighing 13,000 kg each. These bombs can pierce up to 61 meters of earth or 18 meters of concrete. What is the impact on the ground in Iran? While President Trump claimed the sites were completely obliterated, Iran insists the nuclear material had already been removed and that the impact was limited. Iranian media reported the evacuation of the facilities before the attack. The full scale of physical and human damage remains unclear. Will Iran retaliate? Iran has vowed to respond and warned the US of irreparable damage and the risk of an all-out war. Experts say Iran could target US bases in the Middle East or attempt to block the Strait of Hormuz, a key oil shipping route. Asymmetric warfare is also likely rather than a direct military confrontation. Can Trump go for war? Under US law, only Congress lawmakers can formally declare war. However, as Commander-in-Chief, the President can order military action without approval. Trump used this power in 2017 to strike Syria and has now done the same with Iran, citing national security. While lawmakers have pushed for limits on this authority, such efforts remain largely symbolic for now.